This is the HYCHIKA LED work light. This is a 15 watt multi-function LED rechargeable light. This unit can basically do 4 things. It's a light, it's a power bank, it's an FM radio, and it's a Bluetooth speaker. It has 2 large speakers at the bottom of the black mesh. At the bottom there's 2 strips of sponge and a 1/4 inch thread to mount this unit to a tripod. It has a handle on the top that slides up and down, so you can slide the handle up to carry and slide it down when in use. On the back you have the antenna, information of the radio/light. You have a Bluetooth button and a light button. Underneath that you have a USB port and a micro USB port for charging. This is where we can charge a unit or plug in any of our USB devices to charge up from this unit if we want to, as it has an 8000 milliamp battery built in. Now I'm just going to quickly show you what's in the manual. You can pause to read if you need to, otherwise just keep following on. This also comes with a warranty card and contact information and support email addresses if you need it. I'll leave all links in the description below. This comes with a USB to micro USB cable to charge the unit. Simply plug in the micro USB port, then we can plug this into a wall socket to charge our unit. An orange indicator light will come on when charging. Now we can have a look at charging any of our devices from this unit. As we said, it's got an 8000 milliamp battery built in, which we can also use from the USB to charge our phones. To use the Bluetooth speaker or the radio, press the BT button.
Bluetooth mode.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
From pressing the BT button, it's ready to pair. I'll go on to Settings, Bluetooth, then we'll click on AST315.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Then I'm going to go on my music and select a song for us to test this speaker out. By holding the up and down arrow, you can make the volume go up and down. By pressing the arrow once, you'll end up skipping through the tracks. To switch to the radio, press the mode button on the far right.
FM tuner.
This will switch us to the FM radio, which searches radio signals from 87.5 to 108. You'll click the right or left arrows to switch through the programs preset. To pause the radio or the speakers from the Bluetooth, you'll tap both arrows once or hold down both arrows for the radio to start searching for all the radio stations, while saving as many radio stations as possible into preset numbers for you. Saving each radio station it picks up under P1, P2, P3 and so on. This will find as many stations as it can till it gets to 108. Then you can click through all the programs it's picked up.
And so excited. HYCHIK lost across both countries with one turning.
Press the mode button again to switch to the Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Simply pull the handle up when you're ready to carry the unit. Now we're going to take a look at the light function. When the light's on, a green light will appear on the back. We have 3 different light modes. The first light is 300 LM, the second brightness option is 750 LM, and the third brightest option is 1500 LM. Once fully charged, the light can last for a maximum of 7.5 hours. This light you can place on the floor or on a table, or you can also attach it to a tripod or a stand of some sort, as you've got the 1/4 inch thread underneath. So this way you can place and angle the light to the correct position you need when working. This light is very bright. This light is not waterproof, but it is great for outdoors and indoor use. This light at the moment is priced around £40. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. It'll be much appreciated. Welcome to the channel and I will see you on the next one.